Welcome to episode 1430 of the Multifamily Collective. Today, tonight, this evening, I wanted to talk about sawing sawdust. And this analogy or the story comes from a book that I read many years ago by Dale Carnegie. Um, the name escapes me at the moment. I'll try to post it in the notes. But he tells a story. Actually, he's telling a story about don't cry over spilt milk, but he leads into the story by talking about sawing sawdust and the fact that you should not saw sawdust. But the point he is drawing using that analogy is that over the course of your lifetime, you are going to be spited by other people. You're going to be wronged by other people. Things are going to happen in the course of your lifetime, whether it be in your business world or your public life or in your home life, where people just don't show up as the highest and best self when they're interacting with you, and neither do you at times. And you create these rifts, you create these uh, moments in time where you might feel like you need to get them back. You need to get that person back for this one thing that happened 25 years ago. And you may hang on to that for a very long bit of time. 25 years is a long time, but believe it or not, people, you, me, others, hang on to things for a very, very long bit of time. The point to the analogy with don't saw sawdust is don't try to do that in your present day world where you have grown, that person has grown. More times than not, that person wasn't attempting to slide, or you weren't attempting to slide somebody, but whatever you delivered at that moment in time, whatever was delivered to you at that moment in time, you felt um, a an agitation. You felt betrayed. You felt something that has given cause for you to hang on to this thing for a very long period of time. And you're attempting to saw sawdust. And that it has impacted your life on an ongoing basis. And you are not the highest and best version of yourself today because you're hanging on to this thing. You're continuing to try to saw that thing that isn't even really a thing anymore. And it's holding you back from future progress, present day progress and future progress, because you just, to use a modern popular term, it's renting space in your mind. You may not think about it all the time, but it's back here, it's unresolved, it's staying there, and it's constantly doing something in your mind, and you're not really dealing with it. You're not getting past it, so that you can't show up as the highest and best version of yourself on a today basis, on a tomorrow basis, on an ongoing basis. So my encouragement to you today is this: don't saw sawdust. Take care. We'll talk to you again soon.